Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to download your bank statement from the Lloyds mobile app in 2025. Whether you're keeping tabs on your expenses, preparing for taxes, or just staying organized, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, make sure you have the latest version of the Lloyds mobile app installed on your smartphone. If you don't, head to your app store, search for Lloyds Bank, and download it for free. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your usual credentials. Security is key, so use your fingerprint, Face ID, or PIN as prompted. Now, once you're logged in, you'll land on the home screen. Look for the Accounts or Overview tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that to see your account details. Next, scroll down or navigate to the Statements section. It's usually easy to spot, often with an icon that looks like a document or a list. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you want the statement for. Here's where the magic happens. In the Statements area, you'll see options to view recent statements. Tap on the statement period you're interested in, maybe the last month, quarter, or even a custom date range. Once selected, look for a Download or Export button, which might be represented by a downward arrow or a share icon. Hit that, and choose your preferred format, like PDF or CSV. The app will process your request quickly, usually in seconds, and prompt you to save the file. Pick a location on your device, like your Downloads folder, and confirm. Voila! Your bank statement is now downloaded and ready to use. Remember, for security reasons, always handle your statements with care and delete them when you're done. That wraps up our step-by-step guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy.